Hi, I'm Melanie Swick. I'm the program coordinator for the programs with architecture and interior design within DAAP. Architecture is the design and imagining of the built environment, the spaces that we live, work, play, learn. All of the spaces that you come in contact with in the built environment are designed typically by an architect, somebody in charge of designing the built environment. Within the school, it is also connected and paired with the interior design program, which is very different from many other schools, that these two are connected programs. We feel fundamentally that you don't experience buildings from only the outside nor only the inside. And so we have this relationship between these two programs. The other component that makes us very unique is the opportunity for the co-op. And so having that cross between the professional world and the academic world that goes back and forth within the program. Co-op in our program is really a amazing opportunity where the students get to take real-world experiences working for an employer all over the country. We have program partners that have employed our students for years and years, so it's a very well-oiled machine. When you are in our program, your college experience is going to be very different than your high school experience for the most part. It is very what we call studio-based, and so you're from day one going to be spending a lot of time drawing things, making things, building things, learning software programs, learning the language of our discipline, which is drawings, plans and sections and elevations and perspectives, and all of those things will be part of your coursework from day one. The architecture program at the undergraduate level is 7 academic semesters and 3 co-op semesters. So those combine for the 10 semesters, which you then will have an undergraduate in 4 years. And within that, you are eligible then for, if you want to go on in architecture, to have a licensed, accredited program. You would do that at the master's level. And that here at UC is another 2 years on top of that. And so that's another 4 semesters to have that accredited piece to your degree. It affords you the opportunity to move higher in a firm, achieve larger things down the road, and be licensed as an architect. To be best prepared to be successful within our program of architecture, some recommendations for your high school selection of courses are things that are around creativity. And how you think about creativity is different from your friend. There are some requirements to the application process that you should know about. One of those is a requirement for high school physics, and the other one is for pre-calculus. Within the architecture undergraduate program, the studio experience is a very important aspect of your experience here as a student, and it is a sequence of organized aspects of the curriculum that begin to look in the initial stages of the foundation at how you organize spaces, how you think about things in relationship to each other. The work tends to then get increased in complexity as you move up in through the studios. I hope I've helped you understand a little bit more about our program through this information, and we hope that if you have an interest in these things, if this sounds like something that would be appealing to you, that you apply, that we see you here in the future, that you contact us if you have questions, if you want more information. I think our program is an excellent program. I think we really help develop well-rounded young adults through the academic experience and the co-op experience. And I think that our students are really ready for any challenges that they want to take on in the world, in the design disciplines, as they graduate from our school.